couple cans of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to need some granulated garlic, granulated onion, black pepper, some sliced onions, and some beef bouillon cubes. We're also going to be adding a little bit of salt to this, but not much. Okay, so let's season this. We're going to season both sides. Salt. We're going to sprinkle some pepper on it. Some granulated onion. Granulated garlic. Now we're going to turn them over and do the exact same thing. We won't be dealing with the salt on this side. We're going to add the onion, granulated garlic, and a pepper. Okay, now our flour, we're going to season the flour, just like we season the meat. A little bit of salt. Black pepper. Granulated onion. Granulated garlic. And we're going to mix that all up. Let's get this all nice and mixed up. Now you want to season your flour just to make sure that your meat's going to be nice and seasoned. Because in the cooking process, some of the seasoning is going to fall off, so it's a good idea to season your flour. Alright. Now let's dredge these in. Make sure they're good and covered, good and coated. Back on the pan. So while our oil is heating up, let's build the sauce. Add the bouillon cubes. Just one. Two. 3. 4. And to that we're going to add a little over a cup of water so we can get that to start to dissolve. And add our mushroom soup in both cans. Our cream of mushroom soup. And we're going to pour this over it before we put it in the oven. Okay, so our heat is on medium. The oil should be heated up now. Let's test it out with a piece. Put it in away from you. And there we go. Add it in, be careful. You want these to fry for about 4 minutes on each side. Okay, now we're going to turn them over in 4 minutes. And another 4 minutes, then we take them out. Okay, let's take these out. Put them in our baking dish. Now let's get the next batch. Give that 4 minutes, and then we'll turn it. The second batch is cooking quite nicely, quite nice. Another 2 minutes, and we'll turn it over. All right, turn these guys over. All right, 4 more minutes. And then we're going to pour the grease off and saute the onions. All right, let's take this last batch out. Be careful, because it is hot. Okay, let's pour this grease off and start the onions. Now that the grease has been poured off, we're going to add the onions. We're going to saute them until they're soft. Soft and translucent. Okay, now we want to turn off the heat and add the onions to our sauce. Here we go, add our onions. Okay, mix that all in there. All right, now we're going to add this to the meat. Pour this on top of the meat. Now we're going to pour this all over the meat. So it's covered nicely. Our spatula. Make sure we get it all out of there. Okay, give it a little shake so it all settles. See that? And then we're going to add this to a 350-degree oven. We're going to let it cook for about 45 minutes. All right, let's put this in the oven in the center rack. "45 minutes. See you then." All right, so time's up. Let's take this out of the oven. See what we got. All right. See what we got here. Looks very nice. Let's plate it up. So here we go. Cube steak and rice. You gotta try this out. Enjoy.